Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nat, and this is Slay the Renee Way, a place where passionate entrepreneurs can come to grow, glow, and succeed in their small businesses. Today, I'm going to be following up with the video that I just posted 2 days ago about how you can actually market your small business. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually create a join my wait list for your website using Canva. So we're going to hop right into it. So in the Canva search bar, you want to type in website launch or a website launching soon or something like that. There's going to pop up with a bunch of different templates for our website launching soon waitlist that we're going to be creating so that we can collect email subscribers and start to build our email list before we actually launch our website and our new products. So just scroll down, see which template you like, guys. They have a lot of different templates. Some of them are for pro members, so you may have to have Canva Pro to utilize some of these different templates, but they do have a lot of free options as well. So I'm looking for one that looks pretty simple, just for example purposes, like this one right here, cream and brown, and it just says launching soon and to be notified when the website is launched. So here's a template that I think I'm going to use for this example. I'm also showing you some other examples that pop up underneath this. This is all going to depend on what your style preference is. They're all completely customizable, but you may want something that looks a little more busy or something that looks a little bit more simple. It really just going to depend on what you want for your brand. So right here, we're going to click customize this template. What we want to do is make sure that that notify me button is actually going to be clickable when we do post this to our website. In order to do that, I'm going to show you guys a little bit later, but basically we're going to link this button to our mailing list that we're going to create in MailChimp a little later. All you're going to do is customize your launching soon page. You want this to be something that has your products on it, that has any photography or product photography that you have. You want it to be on this page so that whenever someone clicks to your website, they're getting a sneak peek of what they can expect from your new website or from your new product launch or from your new collection that you're launching. Also down here with these social media icons, you're going to click on them. You can actually click this link button and connect it directly to your social media. So you can do the same thing for the Instagram. If you click the 3 dots, then click link, you can actually insert your Instagram username into this little box right here. And once someone clicks it, it's going to actually direct them right to your social media profiles. I highly recommend, no matter what you're doing, you always have your social media profiles linked somewhere on your website, okay? You can also change these out if you don't have Instagram or if you don't have Facebook. You can just go over to the Elements tab and search for a different social media icon like TikTok or Pinterest. But I'm just going to go ahead and customize some of this text, play around with it. This is completely up to you guys. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to actually create these. The main goal of this tutorial is to show you how to make this launching soon, notify me, waitlist type of page and how to get your subscribers to actually be subscribing to your email list. So if you go over into the right, you're going to see this publish website button. You scroll down. This is actually going to create your website. Okay, with Canva, you're able to create a website using a free domain. So if you click the free domain button, it will give you options as to how you can customize your subdomain. So for example, if this was my website, I could put in Rose Butte Cosmetics. Canva provides us with a free subdomain .my.canva.site. Click continue, and then you'll get to see what your browser tab will preview once someone clicks on it. You can also do a website description or enable password protection if you don't want people to be able to visit your website without a password. These are things that are all customizable. I love how Canva does this, and it's 100% free, you guys. You can't get no better than this. So if you wanted to, you could use your website description. But anyway, here's a preview of what this will look like. As you can see, I'm able to actually click my Facebook and Instagram. We're going to do the same thing with the notify me button, only this time it will take your subscribers to a email subscriber list for them to actually sign up. You collect their emails, and then you're able to send them emails before you launch your website. So in order to do this, do the same thing. Click the link button. We're going to insert our MailChimp link right in this box right here. So now go over to MailChimp. If you guys need a tutorial on how to set up your MailChimp account, I will go ahead and link a video up in the cards or down below in the description box. I did a whole video tutorial on how to set up MailChimp for free and start collecting your subscribers for your website. So go up to create, and then we're going to scroll down to landing page. This is the page that you want to use to collect new subscribers, promote a product, or if you have any marketing goals, you just want to use a landing page. This is what your customers will see once they click onto your website they will notice whatever it is that you're promoting or trying to collect from them. So you want to name this page something that you can remember. I'm going to call it website launch, or you can call it, website opening, or anything that you feel like will go well with whatever your marketing goal is, whether that's a product launch, a collection launch, or whatever. So now I'm going to show you guys some of the different templates. They have a couple of different templates, but for this example, I think it would be nice if we use something that's not going to take a lot of time to customize, since I am just trying to show you guys how to link this template to our Canva website launching template. So I'm going to go ahead and just look at what I feel like looks the best. Like I said, don't be too picky about this. Okay, so here is the template that I'm going to go with. Is this garden hose template. It's just something simple that we're going to customize. Looking at our Canva template, I did realize that what we should do is make sure that we go ahead and download this as a PNG file, because what we're going to do is we're going to use this on our newsletter template. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these boxes that they have provided for us. It's completely up to you. If you want to use these, you're able to, but since we already have everything customized and branded in Canva, why not go ahead and just use that same template over here on our newsletter sign up. So I'm going to delete every single form that they have here. It might take you some time, but just go through, delete everything, get a blank page. But I did also go back and realize that they do have this grow your list template, which is a lot simpler to use. So I went ahead back and just clicked this link to show you guys so that you don't have to go through and delete all those different groupings. But anyway, what we're going to do is drag our image into our workspace. So now you can actually delete these two headers and this other text box that is right here. We're going to delete those. And what we're going to do is upload our image into our files. So with MailChimp, you're actually able to have your own file cabinet, basically, where you have all of your graphics and things that you have used over in Canva. So I'm just going to go ahead and click My Files and then upload this that we just downloaded from Canva. Once I have it uploaded, then I will just insert it into our workspace. So as you can see, now we have this email address subscribe button down here. So you can go to the sign up form and then change the style of this. If you don't like the color of the button, you can actually customize the color of the background. I went ahead and made sure that the color of this text matched everything that we just inserted from our Canva template. And to do that, I did have to go back over to Canva, click one of the text boxes, click the font color, and then copy and paste that hex code so that it matches exactly. When you're doing branding, y'all, you want everything to match and be cohesive. So after doing that, I'm going to paste it into this box and press enter. And as you can see, that's the same shade of that pinkish brown color that we have using our text. So I'm going to just get out of this because basically you can play around with it. You can add your logo at the top. It's very straightforward to use, but we do want to make sure that our subscribing box is inserted into this newsletter, because this is where we're going to begin to collect our customers, and we'll have our signups posted everywhere, and we'll make sure that we're collecting people who actually want to be getting notified about whatever it is that you're launching. So now the last thing that we can do is you can actually put a link into this web address URL right here. If you wanted to, say you had your social media profiles or anything, you could actually put those links there. So if someone clicks onto this image, they're actually taken over to your Facebook or Instagram profile. So that's one more thing, but just go ahead and click save and close. And now that we're done with this, the very last thing that you want to do is we're going to have to find the URL from this newsletter that we just created. And then we're going to copy that back into the notify me button over on Canva. So as you can see, here's the URL to the newsletter that we just created. You want to copy and paste that. And now make sure you click those link button on our button and then press paste. This way, once you publish your website from Canva, whoever clicks that little button right there is going to be taken to this MailChimp sign up form that we just created. I'll show you an example. So I just put the link right there. Now we're going to publish the website. And comment down below if you guys would like me to show you a website in-depth tutorial using Canva, because it is 100% free and it's very easy to do. So let me know in the comments. I'm going ahead and saving our design and publishing it so I can show you guys what it will look like. So I'm going to click view website, and here it is. I know it's a little simple, but you can also customize this to make it look however you like to. Once you click the notify me button, it will take you directly to your MailChimp newsletter sign up form. I actually forgot to hit publish on MailChimp, so make sure you don't forget to do that. You have to go back and make sure that your web launch is actually live. Now that it's live, we can go back and look into viewing our website and making sure that everything looks the way that we'd like it to when our customers go to visit. Okay, and as you can see, when you click the notify me button this time, it actually takes us to that sign up form that we just created. So now your customer is actually going to be able to enter their email address. And like I said before, this email will be sent to your MailChimp newsletter contacts. So anytime you're trying to create any newsletter to notify your customers or friends or followers, subscribers of anything relating to your launch, you want to be making sure that this is where you're getting your contacts from. It's all in one place. We did this 100% free, and it was pretty simple to do. Comment down below and make sure you guys like this video if this tutorial was simple enough for you to follow. If you have any questions, you can also leave those down below. If I didn't go over anything clearly enough for you, I'll try my best to explain in the comments. But I just thought this was a really cool way for us to be able to create a join my waitlist page and make sure that we're launching just like Skims and Fenty Beauty and any other large brand that we have noticed. Having a launching soon page or a coming soon page is a great way to make sure that you're keeping in contact with those who are not always going to be on your social media. So right here, what I'm doing is just showing you guys another template that I saw on Canva that I actually really liked. This website has a couple of different images, really large. So if you have 3 different products that you want to display, I like the way that they set this one up. But again, with Canva, all you have to do is search launching in the website templates, and a bunch of different website templates will come up. And I feel like these are all really simple to create and customize. So don't forget to play around with this a little bit, but you want it to look very simple, explain the products that you're trying to launch, when they can expect to see your launch, and how to sign up for it, okay? Those are the main 3 things that this video was supposed to teach you, and I hope that I did that. But yeah, right here I'm just showing you guys a couple more options that I found on Canva, and I was having a good time looking at this because I feel like this is something that a lot of people are just not aware of, and I feel like if I can put y'all on, that's what I'm gonna do. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I drop another gem. But if you did enjoy this video, please let me know below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good weekend. Peace.